I think there's a couple reasons. So one reason is that the cost of the legacy technology that many of these established companies have is just too great. And the cost comes through in the cost of innovating and providing new products. The costs come through in the operational sense of actually keeping this legacy technology alive and working correctly. And it also is a competitive cost, because the more legacy technology you have, the more that creates a barrier that innovative new companies don't have to overcome when they're trying to do something competitive in your space. And so I think as the cost and difficulty of entry is going down for new competitors who are coming into the space, and as well-established companies, the more time goes by, the more they have of this legacy technology, the more of a burden it becomes if it goes unresolved. So all of those factors, I think, are contributing to why established insurance companies are looking to make change or feel the pressure to make change. I think there's another factor, which is that the availability of these new technologies can really help insurance companies serve their customers in really innovative ways that provide both a better experience for the customer, but also help the actual insurance business itself. And so you think about some of these more, what may be viewed as extreme use cases, but they're not extreme use cases. The idea of being able to use drones to capture video from, locations where you're looking at property, or you're looking at a particular area, and you want to be able to capture that video and analyze it. That would have sounded extreme, a few years ago, but now the technology exists for that. You have to have the capability within your organization to take advantage of those enabling kind of capabilities or technologies to be successful with them. Now, one specific example from a client that we were working with was for a very specific kind of insurance policy for high net worth individuals. And for this group of clients, they wanted to be able to provide a really robust, web-based, much more transactional kind of capability to interact with their policies. And because of the unique nature of this type of insurance, this was something that was very difficult for them to just buy something off the shelf. They couldn't really find something just commercially available to solve this problem. At the same time, they had a lot of legacy technology in the insurance core that they were using. And so creating a layer of integration and a digital web presence for them to be able to do this was really critical for them to be successful. I think it highlights why having digital capabilities within your organization is so important, and the fact that you can't rely on off-the-shelf technology in every case to solve these problems.